Hi,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
So, how are you doing these days, my dear Sanvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, hi Kian, hi Prisha,
Hi, ma'am. Hello, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine, teacher. How are you, teacher?
I'm also good. So, today we are beginning with our drawing class and art class also later on. So, first I will be needing a short introduction of you all, my dear kids. Okay, I will start with Sanvi. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Can you say me your name? What is your name?
Fanvi Shannai, ma'am.
Yes. So we are having Sanvi Shinoy over here. Okay, Sanvi, what do you love to do during your free time?
I love dancing.
Wow, so nice of you. Very good. So
Even
you
painting,
dance a
ma'am.
lot.
And even painting, ma'am.
Yes. And even painting. So we will be doing drawings in these all sessions. Okay? Yes. Then I come to Kian. Kian, say hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good
How
afternoon,
are you?
ma'am.
What is your name?
Kian.
Okay. And what do you love to do during your free time? Are you there? Okay. There might be some network fluctuation at Kian's place. Yeah. Hi, Trisha.
Hi, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, teacher. How are you?
I'm also fine. So, what do you do in your free time, Trisha?
Nice to see you, teacher.
Yes, it is nice to see you too.
Wait.
Thank you,
What
teacher.
teacher is asking? You wait. She's asking
What do
something.
you do? Do you play? Do you go
What do
out?
you
Or
do?
do you do some indoor activities?
Singing, dancing, and coloring and painting.
Singing, dancing,
Wow, so nice
very
of
good.
you. So nice of you.
Thank you,
So,
teacher.
yes,
Hmm.
so we are having our sessions. Yes, Kian is back. Kian, is your network proper? Kian, is your network
Yes,
proper?
yes,
Am I
ma'am. I'm
audible to
fine, but
you?
there is a bit of network problem today. So there was a glitch. It's okay now. It will be fine. Hello? Yes, you are audible
Yes.
to me?
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
yes. Yes, yes, I am able.
Listen to ma'am.
Yes. So we will be, Kian, please be on mute. Yes, I am Ruchita Mohta. I am taking various types of hobby classes. So my two of my kids are here who have interacted with me before during the summer camps, and Kian is new to me. So you will be knowing me as and when we learn the drawings. So I am taking many types of activities. Let it be drawing or art, let it be yoga or your Zumba or your dance, and let it be the public speaking. Okay, there are many types of hobbies involved which I am taking classes of. Okay, this is a short introduction of mine, and I have trained a lot of many kids. The kids were same like you, the beginners, but they are very good enough now because they are practicing. Okay, so the key point of our class, Whatever I teach in the class is needs to be practiced by you all. Unless and until you don't practice, you will not understand. Am I clear? Very good, very good. So I would like to have a welcome song for you all kids. You all can stand up and copy my actions. You all can stand up and copy my actions. Shake, shake, shake your hands, shake it to the up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it to your down. Move, move, move your fist, move it to the up. Move it, move it, move it, move it, move it to your down. Wave, wave, wave your hands, wave it to your side. Wave it, wave it, wave it, wave it, wave it to the side. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. How are you today? How are you today? Just move your body. Just move your body. Learn and play. Learn and play. Hello to your teacher. Hello to your teacher. How are you today? How are you today? I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna listen to what you say. To what you say. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Shake your head. Yes, yes. Shake your head. No, no. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Stretch your arms. Up, up. Bring it down. Down, down. Just shake it, shake it, shake it. Just shake it, shake it, shake it all around. Very good. Yes, my dear kids, today we are starting with our first session of drawing. That will be Introduction to Shapes. Do you all know there are many kinds of shapes? Can any one of you say me what kind of shape do you have been noticing in your day-to-day life? Anyone, you can unmute yourself and talk to me.
Triangle, square, rectangle, circle. Diamond, teacher, diamond.
Diamond, wow. Circle, square, rectangle, wow. What happened, Sanvi?
Hexagon, ma'am.
Hexagon. Okay. Sanvi, say me, where have you observed a hexagon shape in your day-to-day life? Do you use anything of hexagon shape?
Door.
Okay, no problem. Prisha, where do you see a diamond shape? What can you relate to a diamond shape?
Diamond, Kaju Katli.
Yes, I was knowing you will say me Kaju Katli. All kids' favorite, Kaju Katli. Yes, my dear Kian, where do you notice square shape?
Square shape.
There.
What is that?
Square.
No, what
Just
is
say me the name of that.
Median.
photo frame? Photo frame.
Photo frame.
Photo frame, yes. And where do you observe circle?
There.
What is there there? I don't know what is in your house. I have never been to your house.
Circle shape का क्या होता है?
Clock.
हाँ.
Clock. Yes, very good. So first we will be drawing different types of shapes and then we will be drawing a particular object related to shape. Okay, my dear kids. So I am placing my mobile so that you will be able to see that what am I drawing. Whatever I am drawing, you just need to copy that. Okay, remember kids, always for my drawing session, I am drawing upside down so that it is easy for you to only copy the same. Okay? I will be drawing my drawing upside down. You just have to copy it. Okay? Yeah. So let's start. This is my paper. Either a drawing book or a paper you will be needing. Okay. So first we are going to draw a circle. You can get this type of bottle cap. Okay, you have to draw very small, huh? Because I am even going to teach you how to draw with your hands and even how to draw with the help of the scale. So you have to draw small. Every object we are going to draw 2 times. So here, see, this is the start. Okay, you can write. I am writing it, introduction to shapes. Okay, you can write this, introduction to shapes. Is my paper clearly visible to you all? Yes. So, we are going to draw a circle first. So, first I have kept the bottle as you all are small. So, you won't be knowing how to draw directly a circle, right? So, first we will be drawing with the help of a bottle top. This is a circle. This is a circle. Right? Everyone. I'll always give a pause for a minute so that you all do. This is a circle. Okay? Now, how to draw the circle with the help of a hand? With the help of your hand, directly freehand, how to draw the circle? So, what we will be doing? First, draw a C. First, draw a C. Then, draw the mirror image of C. C. First draw C, then draw reverse C. So this is a circle. This is with the help of a bottle cap. This is with the free hand. Now kids, do you all know how to read the scale? You all might be having this kind of small scale with you. Do you all know how to read the scale? How to take the centimeters? No, right? So I am going to teach you. See, in the scale, we are having numbers. We are having small written numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and so on. In the small scale, we are having numbers till 15, right? Am I right? Show me a thumbs up, everyone. Yes. So now whenever we are going to draw from scale, I'll be saying you this much centimeter line you have to draw. Okay. So how will you understand the centimeter? So if I am saying you have to draw a 4 centimeter line. So what you will do from this zero mark, okay, from this zero mark to 4 is 4 centimeter. So I am saying you draw a 1 centimeter. From this zero mark to 1 will be your 1 centimeter line. Okay. So in this way we read a scale. Okay. See, I am having here 0 and 1. So from 0 to 1 will be 1 centimeter. From 0 to 2 will be 2 centimeter. Anytime drawing a line we have to take it from 0. Okay. Yes. So now we are going to draw a square. As we all know, square is having all the equal number of sides. Am I right? Square is a object which is having all the sides equal. How many sides a square is having? Can anyone say me?
4 sides.
Four
Four
sides.
sides.
Four sides. Yes. So we will be drawing 3 centimeter square, okay, just below our circle, okay. So from 0 to 3, first just make 2 points, okay. Keep your scale straight, make 2 points from 0 to 3 and then make a line. Always when you are drawing something, first make points, then you have to draw. Now again, from this side also it is 0 to 3, right? As all the four sides in a square are equal. So I will mark 0 and 3. Okay? And then I am going to draw a line. Okay, my dear kids? Now again, as I told you, all the four sides are equal. So again we will be drawing a point on 3 centimeter. Again we will be drawing a point on 3 centimeter and 0. And again making a line 0 to 3. Now the last side again, mark it 0, 3. Now why? As if it is, we don't need any markings, but we need markings just to check that whether we have done the three sides proper or not. Okay. Okay, one more thing, my dear kids. I am drawing with the help of a sketch pen so that it is clearly visible to you. But when you are drawing, it is always with pencil. Okay. Always you have to draw with the help of a pencil. Okay, so this was our circle. This is our square. Now we have to draw the square with the help of our hands. Okay, free hand. Okay, so as you are kids now and you will not be able to judge the equal size. What to do? Just place your two fingers like this. Just place your two fingers like this and draw a straight line. Okay. Again, just place your two fingers like this over here. Draw a straight line. Where? Only till there where your fingers are being placed. Okay. Again, draw Place 2 fingers like this. Draw a line. And again you can check it. Inside your 2 fingers this line is fitting. Then draw a straight line again. So this is a very easy method to draw a square for your kids with the free hand, so that all the sides will be equal. Okay, so this is a square, this was a circle. Okay, so we have done circle and square. Up till now we have done circle and square. Is everyone understanding? Show me a thumbs up. Am I too fast or I am going proper? Anyone having any kind of difficulty, you can unmute me and just say me what is your problem or what you are not understanding. Okay. So now we come to our third shape. Now we come to our third shape, which is a rectangle. Now can anyone say me, how many sides is a rectangle having?
4.
4. Okay. Are all the sides equal like the square?
No, ma'am.
How many sides are equal or they are not equal at all?
2 sides.
Very good. In the rectangle, two opposite sides are always equal. I can give you example. My paper is a rectangle shape. This scale is a rectangle shape. Okay? So here how to draw. So first on the top, draw 3 centimeter. Mark the point 0 to 3. Then draw the line. Now draw 1 centimeter to your side. Mark the point 0 to 1 and draw the line. Again downside. We have to draw 3 centimeter again, because in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. So up was 3 centimeter, down will also be 3 centimeter. So mark 0 to 3 the point and then stretch a line. Now again here with the help of a scale you can check 0 to 1, mark the points, draw a line. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now, how to draw the rectangle? With the help of our hand. First, draw a straight line here, sweeping line. Then, a straight line short to what is sweeping. Okay, it should be short. Okay. Then again down, the line should be matching the above line. So till that distance we are going to draw. Then again match the side line. So this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Okay. I am giving you all the spellings at one stroke. So I am writing the spellings in the chat box. Give me a minute. You can just check the chat box. First we have done circle. Then we have done square. Then we have done rectangle. Okay, so up till now we have learned three shapes. Up till now we have learned three shapes. So our first shape is circle, second is rectangle, and second is square, third is rectangle. Now my fourth shape. My fourth shape will be a triangle. Will be a triangle. How to draw a triangle? Okay, so here I will say you the base. The base is a straight line, sleeping line, and then there are two slanting opposite lines. Okay, the base is always a sleeping line, then there are two slanting opposite lines. Give me a minute, kids. Okay, so here base we are going to draw a sleeping line. So the sleeping line will be 0 to 4. Mark the dots, mark the points from 0 to 4 and then draw the sleeping line. Now, how to draw the slanting lines? Okay, we have to first mark the half of 4. Okay, because exactly it is at the half. So 0 to 2 just mark it here down at the baseline only and a little above we can mark the same point like this. See here I marked 2 centimeter. Then again on the top I am marking. The same point. Now referring to this point we are going to draw our two opposite slanting lines. Okay. So it will be from here to here and from here to here. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Now how to draw the triangle with the help of the free hand? Draw a sleeping line like this. Mark a midpoint of your sleeping line. mark a midpoint at arc and join it like this. This is a triangle. Done, everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
What about Prisha? What about Kian?
What you have done? Show teacher.
Teacher, look.
Wait.
Very good. Very good, my dear. Kian, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So now we are going to draw. We are going to draw an object which is having circle, square, rectangle as well as triangle. Okay? We are going to draw an object which is having circle, square, rectangle as well as triangle. Okay? So now first we are going to draw a triangle. Okay? First we are going to draw a triangle. See, my dear kids, you can see and you also have to draw. You can do either on the same paper or you can take another paper and you can do. Okay? So from the top, okay, 1/4 of your paper, you have to draw from 0 to 8. From 0 to 8. Mark the points and draw a line. Okay, remember this is not the half of the paper. Half से थोड़ा ऊपर है. Okay? Now we have to mark a point from 0 to 4 in the same slipping line. Mark a point from 0 to 4 in the same slipping line. With the help of the scale, keeping it straight, just mark that same point up. Mark that same point up. And draw two slanting lines opposite side. That point should be in the center. With the same point, we are going to draw both the lines, but on the opposite side. Okay? It goes like this.
Teacher, there's 4 centimeter or 8 centimeter.
See, this is a 8 centimeter line.
Huh.
Then we have marked a point on 4 centimeter.
Huh.
Then we have, with the help of the scale, the same point we have marked up.
Yeah, but that is how much? 4 centimeter. This one.
This up part.
Hmm.
Up part there is no centimeter as they are too small now. Up part
Okay.
I am not saying any centimeter.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Just freehand mark a point. It should not be more up.
Okay.
Yeah.
ईशु यहाँ पे पॉइंट करो. ये देखो यहाँ पे. हाँ, make a point here. 6 at 6.
Now we want to draw a rectangle. We want to draw a rectangle. Okay, my dear kids. So this is already a 8 centimeter line. From here only we are starting the rectangle. Okay. So consider this 8 centimeter line as the top line of the rectangle. As the top line of the rectangle. Now we have to draw down. We have to draw on the side. The side line should be 5 centimeter. So from 0 to 5. From 0 to 5. The side line is 5 centimeter. From 0 to 5. Again, marking the points on the other side also. From 0 to 5. And then, as this was a 8 centimeter line up also, now the same line it will be from 0 to 8. And draw a line. Understanding, my dear kids?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Now again I am going to draw a rectangle. Again I am going to draw a rectangle. Okay. Considering this as my baseline of the rectangle. This was a 8 centimeter line. So we are going to mark the points from 0 to 3 this side. From 0 to 3 this side. And other side also from 0 to 3. Okay. This side also 0 to 3, other side also 0 to 3. You all will be getting the middle 2 points. You can check it at 2 centimeters. Okay. So the middle 2 points, the 2 points are at 2 centimeters. So again from this point, we are taking up the side of the rectangle, we are taking 3 centimeters. Just mark a point of 3 centimeter. Then draw a line. Again on the other side also from 0 to 3 centimeter. Then draw a line. And considering the same 2 centimeter, join the points at 2 centimeter and draw a line. After drawing this, keeping this rectangle base in your mind, just draw a straight line like this, sleeping line like this. Okay, just draw the sleeping line like this, my dear kids. Now we are going to draw the square shape. Okay, small square, not big. Okay, so from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1, so it will be a 1 centimeter square. Okay, again from 0 to 1, again down from 0 to 1. First you have to make the point, then you have to make the line. Again from 0 to 1. So here we got one square of 1 centimeter. Now this side also we want a square. Again from 0 to 1. First mark the points from 0 to 1. On both the sides also from 0 to 1. As it is a square, both the side, all the four sides are equal. With the help of your bottle top, I won't let you draw this freehand. With the help of your bottle top, you can draw a circle over here. Done? Just when all of you are done, just show me a thumbs up. Done? Risha and Sanvi.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Risha. Done, Prisha? Prisha, are you done?
Teacher, I finished my work.
I have
Yes.
my
Very good. Very good, my dear. So preserve your paper. Tomorrow we will be learning two more shapes. Sorry, I'm sorry. On Wednesday we will be learning two more shapes, and then we will be completing this drawing and coloring it. Once you are done with the shapes, the coming week we will be having the entire drawing of the sceneries. Okay? Okay? Very
Yes,
good.
teacher, yes.
Yes. So preserve these drawings, okay? Both the papers, preserve it. Bye, kids.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
teacher.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye, teacher. Bye,
Bye.
teacher. Bye. Thank
Bye.
you.